If you've ever struggled to keep your family's schedules, chores, and meal plans organized, the Cozyla Calendar Plus 2 might just be the gadget you didn't know you needed. At first glance, it looks like a sleek digital picture frame. But once you start exploring, you realize it's so much more: a full-fledged family organization hub that combines smart home functionality, planning tools, and even cooking assistance, all on a large touchscreen display. Today, we are going to share our full experience with you, whether it is good or not. So, let's get started. Right out of the box, the Calendar Plus 2 impresses with its design. The 32-inch IPS LCD screen is slim, modern, and easy to mount on a wall, although there are smaller 24-inch and 15.6-inch options if space is tight. The build is solid, and it even comes with a rotating wall mount, making it flexible for different viewing angles. It feels premium and thoughtfully designed, which is important for a device that's meant to become a central part of your home. The screen supports both 1080p Full HD and 4K UHD resolutions, and with a 60 Hz refresh rate, it handles animations and transitions smoothly. Built-in speakers provide clear audio for notifications or videos, and connectivity options include Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, and USB-C. But the real magic starts when you power it up. Cozyla has built its own operating system, Calendar OS, around the core idea of family organization. The Calendar Plus 2 automatically syncs with Apple, Google, Outlook, and other calendars, creating a single unified view of your family's schedule. That means no more toggling between apps or wondering if your kid's soccer practice conflicts with a dentist appointment. Updates happen in real time, so everyone stays on the same page. One of the standout features is the family profiles. You can create up to 8 profiles, each with its own color coding and settings. This personalization makes it easy to see who's busy, who's free, and who might need a nudge to finish chores or complete homework. It's small touches like this that make a big difference in usability. Everyone feels represented, and nothing gets lost in the shuffle. Beyond scheduling, the Calendar Plus 2 also handles chores and routines. You can assign tasks, set reminders, and even gamify the experience with points and rewards. For families with kids, this is a huge advantage. It transforms daily responsibilities into something engaging rather than nagging. The device can manage repeat rules, so recurring chores like taking out the trash or feeding the pets are automatically tracked. It's not just about keeping your family organized, it's about creating habits that stick. Meal planning gets an impressive upgrade too. The Calendar Plus 2 includes a meal planning dashboard, a built-in recipe library, and even step-by-step cooking instructions. You can watch embedded YouTube videos for tutorials, and the system can auto-generate grocery lists based on your weekly plan. There's even a pantry tracker that keeps tabs on ingredients, quantities, and expiration dates, which can save a lot of last-minute shopping trips or wasted food. It's like having a sous chef, nutritionist, and grocery assistant rolled into one touchscreen. Customization doesn't stop there. The dashboard is fully flexible, letting you place widgets, calendars, lists, shortcuts, and weather displays wherever they make the most sense for your household. You can also upload photos or URLs to convert them into calendar events or recipe entries. When the device isn't actively being used, you can personalize the screensaver with photos or slideshows and set automatic sleep schedules to save energy and reduce nighttime glow. For those who live on the go, the companion app is a game changer. You can manage schedules, tasks, meals, and even the device itself from your smartphone. This remote control capability means you're never out of sync, whether you're at work, traveling, or simply running errands. Notifications and updates ensure nothing slips through the cracks, and any changes you make on your phone immediately sync with the Calendar Plus 2. Another layer of functionality comes from its smart home integration. The Calendar Plus 2 works with Amazon Alexa and Google Home, which allows voice control for scheduling, reminders, and even some smart home actions. While it isn't a full-fledged smart home hub in the sense of controlling every device, it certainly bridges family organization with connected living. From a technical perspective, Cozyla hasn't cut corners. The device is powered to handle multitasking, and the interface remains fluid even with multiple widgets, calendars, and apps running. The built-in speakers provide decent sound for notifications, videos, or even background music while you cook. Its connectivity, including Wi-Fi 6E, ensures stable and fast updates, and Bluetooth allows for additional peripheral connections if needed. There are a few points to consider before diving in. Streaming capabilities are present, but not every app works flawlessly, and some experiences might be limited depending on software updates or app compatibility. That said, the primary focus of the device is organization, family engagement, and meal planning, and it excels in these areas. Price-wise, the 32-inch calendar plus 2 is listed at $899.99, making it a premium household device. However, considering it combines a shared calendar, chore manager, meal planner, recipe library, smart home integration, and more into a single, elegant device, many users feel the investment is justified. There are smaller and slightly more affordable models as well, allowing flexibility depending on your budget and space. Ultimately, the Cozyla Calendar Plus 2 succeeds because it doesn't try to be everything for everyone. It focuses on making family organization intuitive, visually appealing, and interactive. It helps reduce stress, improves communication within households, and even adds an element of fun to routine tasks. The combination of shared scheduling, task gamification, meal planning, and smart home integration makes it a unique device that's more than just a calendar. It's a digital hub for family life. In conclusion, if your goal is to streamline family management, keep everyone in sync, and bring a little more organization and fun into your home, the Cozyla Calendar Plus 2 is worth serious consideration. It's stylish, capable, and designed to adapt to real-world family dynamics, making it more than just a tech gadget. It's a tool for a smoother, smarter household.